In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat row headers on each row of a view using the index CLS function in Tableau Desktop. This method is particularly useful when you want to make your data more legible by consistently displaying row headers for every row in your view. Let's jump right in. First, we need to open Tableau. Begin by launching the Tableau application on your computer. Once you're inside, go ahead and access your worksheet. This is where we'll be making all the changes today. The next step involves organizing our data. Let's start by dragging the region dimension to the rows shelf. Doing this is essential as it sets the initial structure for your data view. After you have placed region, we want to continue by dragging the category dimension onto the row shelf as well. Following this, add the subcategory dimension still to the row shelf. Layering these dimensions helps create a detailed view of your data hierarchy. Once you have these three components on your row shelf, it's time to bring in some numerical data by dragging the sales measure onto the column shelf. Displaying sales figures alongside your organized data will help visualize the relationships between regions, categories, and subcategories. Now, to create row numbers, head over to the Analysis menu at the top. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Create Calculated Field. This opens a dialog box. Name this field row number. This will be our custom calculation. In the expression area, type in index. The index function in Tableau is a simple yet powerful function that allows you to assign a number to each row based on its position in the view. After typing index, proceed to click OK. You've now created a calculated field which you can find in the data pane. Locate row number, then right-click on it and select Convert to Discrete. Changing it to discrete allows you to use this new field as a discrete row header. Now, drag the row number field and position it onto the rows shelf, placing it in front of region. Doing this effectively turns our calculated field into a row index that repeats for every row in your view, ensuring that row headers are visible across all rows. Lastly, to ensure everything displays properly, right-click on the row number in the rows shelf and click on Show Header. This final step ensures that the numbers appear as expected in your view, making your data presentation clearer. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up repeating row headers using the index function in Tableau Desktop. This technique is an excellent way to enhance the readability of your data views, ensuring that essential information is always available at a glance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for more tips and tricks.